You must remember your mom rummaging through all the vegetables and fruit before buying, and also glaring at the greengrocers to give the best. As we Indians prefer to buy fruits and vegetables from local hawkers to garner fresh vegetables and fruits, and only because we trust ourselves to buy the best. I remember my mom and Nani used to go far to buy fruits and vegetables to gain good quality items when they could have gotten them from a nearer source. These days, companies like Big Basket, Flipkart, Nature's Basket, and a few more are getting popular for their services of delivering fruits and vegetables to your doorstep. But can you guarantee they are fresh? You may never know how fresh they are or what is being served to you until the time it reaches you, as there have been many incidents and complaints that the stuff that was ordered was rotten, even though the best before date hadn't been crossed. But most importantly, is it guaranteed that they're the best in terms of quality and freshness? Did you know more than 50% of people buy their fruits and vegetables from street vendors, and 15% of people buy theirs from online? And more than 25% of these people complain about the fruits and vegetables being rotten or stale. Sites like Mouthshut also agreed with this point, as Nature's Basket had only got 2 stars, and everyone complained that the items they bought were rotten. The funniest thing is that you're using mostly the same amount of time online compared to buying from greengrocers. So just think how many problems arise from buying online. When you're ordering online, the local vendors are suffering, and so are you, because you might not be getting the fresh produce and the health benefits they carry. Even the Prime Minister of India agreed to this by saying vocal for local, as he himself wanted to support the local hawkers. And because of this COVID period, the local vendors were struggling to survive, while companies like Big Basket had the ability to survive due to their large incomes and their services and products in different areas. If you get the question, how can my app be different from Big Bazaar, Big Basket, or Flipkart? The answer is that I am providing you a chance to go to vendors and check the quality of the fruits and vegetables before buying, and also from a nearer source. This is the most green way to get vegetables and fruits because you aren't using truck services to deliver small parcels, and that too from mostly a far source. These days, almost everyone has a smartphone, even in the nooks and corners of India. My app will allow you to view vegetable and fruit hawkers in a set radius, their ratings, the available items, the price of the items, and the details like their phone numbers. And there's no need to pay subscription costs. Only greengrocers would need to pay subscription fees, which would be used to prove their authenticity and that they are not just people who want to put up false information. At the end of the day, when it's time for a greengrocer to go home, discounts might be put up to sell the still fresh produce. So notification can be received if it's allowed on the device and if they're in the set radius. Now I'll be sharing a PPT and showing the prototype screens that I have developed. So the name of my app is going to be Sabzilelo. So the first screen to the right is the map which is being shown, and the big black dot in the middle is you, and the black lines in circles are the radius set. These X marks on the map show the greengrocers in the set radius. When you click one of the X marks, it will take you to the screen on the left. This screen shows the name of the stall, the available items, the price of the items, as you can see. And you can also choose the option to locate on maps. So this will take you to the Google Maps and show you the location and take you to the location of the greengrocers. You can also contact them. And last screen is showing how you can set the radius of filter, and you can call the help desk if needed. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.